this video clip is to show how to replace this adjustment knob for the heater on the Oro roaster. Right, the first thing you want to do is take a small screwdriver such as this and remove the 2 set screws inside here. You want to take your 12mm wrench and loosen the thin nut right here and take that off. Okay, so what you're gonna do now to replace it is you're gonna cut these wires and then strip back the outer insulation on the wires and do the same on your new gauge and take the wire nut and splice those wires together.